My name is Monique Duson. I grew up in South Central Los Angeles. Life was tough, but more than that, life was Black. Lessons that the streets taught me were secondary to what my mother instilled in me. Being Black. I was a Black child, and one day I would grow up to be a strong Black woman.
My name is Krista Bontrager. I was raised by a Christian mother in the suburbs of Los Angeles. My mother instilled in me a love for Jesus and a strong work ethic. She taught me that if I worked very, very hard, someday I would grow up, go to college, get a good job, and have a family. In 2018, Monique came to live with my family. I asked Monique a lot of questions about race and justice. Things like, what is systemic racism? Should every church be multi-ethnic? And am I racist because I'm white?
I welcomed Krista's questions, but persuading her to what I knew was true about America wasn't easy.
We had many difficult conversations. And even though she didn't say it directly, I knew Monique thought my family and I were racist. I felt sad and confused.
I was not confused. I saw Krista and her family the way I saw most white people, privileged and participating in racist systems of whiteness. One thing quickly became clear. We saw the world very differently. And either we were both going to change or we were not going to be friends.
Our worldviews were on a collision course.
Join us as we share our journey searching the scriptures and gaining a biblical perspective on issues like the multi-ethnic church, systemic racism, and how our nation became so divided.
And how we discovered a truth that is deeper than our cultural and ethnic differences, that Jesus makes cultural enemies into family.
Walking in Unity is coming October 15th from Harvest House.